Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft a beautiful air tank terrarium ornament in Heartopia. So right now in this new event, the Call of Fields event, Heartopia has a new battle pass that in here you can get many special rewards, and one of them you can get this furniture recipe of this air tank terrarium ornament. It will look like this. I think it's so beautiful for terrarium. And then to get this furniture recipe, you just need to unlock level 25. So make sure you already reach this level. And to reach this level, you just need to complete or to collect the Vision Wave points on here. That you can get it from the Vision Wave catalog. On here, you can just complete the quest over here. This quest available every week, and then you can get the points from the collections rewards over here, and then you can also get the points from daily quests. And then after that, after you successfully reach this level, the 25 level 25, you can unlock this recipe and it will add it to your workbench. So after that, just go to your workbench, and then next just scroll down until you find this air tank terrarium ornament recipe. And then in here you just need stone, ore, and then pearl oyster material pack, and then adjust the amount, and then just simply tap on craft, and then just tap on hold to continue like this. And then just like that, you will successfully unlock this beautiful air tank terrarium ornament, and I think it's perfect for home decorations. And okay, that's it. If you want to helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.